Exhale to the center. Inhale your arch back. Exhale to Padahastasana. Try to touch your nose with your knees. Now from here, exhale. Take your right leg back to the Ashvasanchalana. Make sure your back foot is totally relaxed on the mat. Now from here, exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Now from here, inhale to Falakasana. Now from here, exhale your knee, chest, chin down on the mat. Inhale, come to Bhujangasana. Lift only till your navel region. Now from here, exhale, come to downward facing dog, which is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now from here, inhale, take your right leg forward in between your hands to Ashvasanchalana. Back foot is totally relaxed on the mat. Now from here, exhale, come to Padahastasana. Again, try to touch your nose with your feet. And then slowly, gently inhale and lift yourself up by arching back. Exhale to the center.